Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video. Alright, but anyway, sorry. I tried recording on camera and here, but it didn't work. But it's fine. But I don't need that. I was watching YouTube, but I just want to give you guys a little tour. I'll show you. First off, we got the kitchen. Very nice kitchen, I will say. Then we got like this counter over here, basically a part of the kitchen. We got the living room. We got a big TV, same as in there. And then we got this area right here. It's my dad's office, by the way. This area there, and also over here, David's room. And but that's basically the entire tour. I don't know, I kind of got a small house, so makes sense. Alright. What, it just kicked me out? But yeah, that's basically it. Ooh. Yeah, it's pretty good. Ooh. What the heck? Shoot, it's that EAS. It's that EAS, it's that EAS, it's that EAS. Shoot, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Alphabet core? This thing actually works. This thing actually works. Wait, no. But what I do is like special TV. What do I do? F. Alright, I gotta run. I gotta run. Hide. Alright, if I post this, I'm still alive. Alright, I gotta be really quiet. Alright, peace. Alright, I'm not gonna keep recording because I don't want to talk to you guys. Let's go.